Hello, guys! Our world is not perfect, and a variety of abnormalities and mutations exist. Recently, people have become increasingly interested in different mutations in animals, some for scientific purposes, and some just for fun. You will now see 10 of the most shocking and unbelievable mutations in animals. Number 10. A white tiger. In the year 2000, a white tiger named Kenny was rescued and taken to a wildlife refuge in Arkansas. Kenny had mental disabilities, an irregularly shaped snout, and slanting eyes, which is why the tiger could not close his mouth properly. However, many workers at the reserve said that Kenny was one of the friendliest tigers, one who loved to frolic and play. Unfortunately, Kenny did not live so long and died of cancer in 2008. Number 9. A three-headed frog. You can often hear about mutant frogs, but a three-headed one is an extremely rare instance. This unique frog was found by children sitting in the garden of a private kindergarten in Great Britain. They first thought it was just 3 frogs hugging each other. But after looking more closely, the children were surprised to find that this was one frog. Some experts have suggested that this mutation was caused by the nuclear power plant that was located 20 kilometers from the garden. Number 8. A goat hybrid. This goat was born in a village in Croatia. The incredible animal has 8 legs, as well as both male and female sex organs. Veterinarians have suggested that one of the goats literally swallowed his twin brother while still developing in the mother's womb. Moreover, this hybrid was born with 2 other calves who were completely normal. The goat hybrid did not have the strength to stand or walk on its 8 feet. Number 7. A transparent fish. The genetic mutations of this fish are the result of the work of scientists. They decided to modify a certain gene in this fish to see how strong the impact would be. And they managed to make this fish completely transparent. So transparent, in fact, that you can see all of its organs and skeleton through the skin. Number 6. A dog with 2 legs. This dog named Faith had a brain defect, due to which her front legs were not completely developed. She could not walk, and her homeless mother even tried to kill the underdeveloped puppy. Faith, however, was found by a 17-year-old teen who took the dog to live with him. Due to the underdevelopment of the front legs, they had to be amputated. As a result, Faith learned to walk, run, and jump on her hind legs, no worse than her 4-legged counterparts. Faith has become a famous dog, appearing on various shows and programs. Number 5. A white alligator. This kind of alligator is extremely rare, only 1 in 300,000. Due to a genetic disease, the reptile experienced a loss of color pigmentation in its skin. In the wild, with such bright and visible coloring, survival for this alligator is almost unreal. Only a few of them have managed to relocate to private nature reserves where they can live for several decades. Number 4. A 4-legged duck. This duckling was born in 2007 on a farm in the United Kingdom. The duckling had 2 additional legs, which it used to better keep balance and run at a young age. The owner of the farm was afraid the duckling would get caught on something and hurt its feet, which soon happened. One of the legs had to be removed, and the second disappeared over time. Now the matured drake has 2 legs, just like its typical counterparts. Number 3. A 2-headed pig. This little piggy named Rudy has 2 heads, 2 snouts, 2 ears, and 3 eyes, one of which is blind. Only 1 face fully functioned. Also, Rudy could not move around easily, so special walkers were used. She did not live for a long time, and she died only a few months after her birth. Her 2-headed skull was preserved to help in the study of facial deformities in children. Number 2. A kitten squirrel. When such an unusual cat was first discovered, people thought it was the result of mating squirrels and cats, and all because of the fact that its front legs were short and crooked. which is why it could not fully stand and walk. In fact, this happened due to a mutation called radial hypoplasia. These cats tried to walk on their hind legs using their tails as a balancer. Because of this, they are also called cat's dinosaurs and cat kangaroos. Number 1. An unusual frog. When Facebook user Keith Leach uploaded a photo of a very strange frog on his page, the post quickly became viral. The photo of the frog shows a clearly visible appendage similar to a penis. Where could it have come from, if males do not have such pronounced genitals? Biologists have found that it was a third, partially formed foot, which had not grown to completion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and see you at the next video.